This guide provides a step-by-step walkthrough on how to order custom melody music box from the Donuma Music Box shop. From the website homepage, scroll down to select your music box and start customizing. Select a music box. For this, we're going to choose Mirror. Select Custom Melody. Then fill in the custom melody info. For this order, we're going to use the song Can't Help Falling in Love by Haley Reinhardt. We're going to need the video URL, time frame, the title, and the artist of the song. Type in all those details in the custom melody info field. If the song is not on YouTube, upload it to the cloud and provide a download link instead. Then select all the add-ons you wish to add to your order. Enable the Add Engraving or Photo insert if you wish to engrave or add a photo in your music box. Select a customization type. Click Customization Info to know the difference between each customization type. Check the gift options if you want your music box to be gift-wrapped or include a handwritten note. Click Add to Cart and go through the checkout process. We will communicate through email and send a digital sample of the converted melody. Once you approve the melody, we will manufacture your music box and send it to you. We are eager to help you with creating a meaningful gift for your loved ones and friends.